Hey there, in today's SEO jargon we are going to talk about AJAX or Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. So AJAX is not a programming language. It's commonly misunderstood and misinterpreted to be a programming language. However, it is not. It's really a combination of technologies. So the A stands for asynchronous, and this is key to the technology. AJAX kind of came to prominence with the emergence of Web 2.0. You might remember like spinny icons for loading. It's a way that you can fetch content and bring it back live interactive in a web page without actually going off the page. So let's break it down. A for asynchronous, J for JavaScript, A for and X for XML, which is actually extensible markup language. So you can see it's really just a collection of technologies. It's not its own unique technology, but the broader AJAX platform was developed as a technology platform. So what can you do with AJAX? Well, you can do quite a lot with it. You can pretty much modify any element in the DOM, which is the document object model. This is the sort of tree and hierarchy that a web browser uses to load and interact with a web page. You can put in dynamic content. You can grab it from almost anywhere. You can use almost any sort of user interaction to cause content to load or change. And this gives significantly improved user interactivity. So a common question: can search engines read AJAX? The answer isn't quite yes or no, but the answer is not really, at least not well. It's always good to make sure that you give search engines an alternative way to get the content. You can check how Google caches the page. That's really the acid test. You can see, and you really should check the Google cache of a page and see how Google renders it. Also do the live test in Google Search Console using Google's bot, how it will actually render it. This will tell you really whether Google has a problem with the AJAX or not. And similarly related, is AJAX bad for SEO? Generally, it has been considered bad for SEO, but that's not really the whole story. As with many things, it comes down to diligence and implementation. So it certainly can be bad if you load all content based on user interactions that Google's never going to make in its crawler, and it can't find the rest of the site content because it doesn't interact the same way a person does. Then yeah, your AJAX implementation can be a complete brick wall to a search engine. And it's really things like that that have led to the prevalence of AJAX being bad for SEO. It certainly doesn't really help, and it puts an additional hurdle, but there are technical things that can be done to make AJAX SEO friendly. So it's not really a yes or a no, but it's generally not considered to be good for SEO. So in summary, we've discussed what AJAX is and isn't, what it can be used for, search engine accessibility, and is AJAX bad for SEO. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we produce a new video. I'm planning on pushing out a lot more of these videos on our SEO jargon site here soon, so stay tuned and expect more content soon. Thank you.